Hey everyone, welcome to Talk Gora. If you're listening while driving, cooking, walking, or just trying to feel productive, you're in the right place. I'm Mia, and today I want to start with something a little sneaky. There's a tiny English word that quietly runs your entire day, and most learners don't notice it until it's too late, until they're in a real conversation, someone speaks fast, and suddenly the sentence feels like it disappears.
Locus. And I'm Locus, and yes, Mia is talking about a word that shows up everywhere. Messages, plans, emotions, travel, relationships, work stress, even the way you agree with people. And it's only 3 letters, so your brain thinks it's easy, but that's the trap.
Exactly. And here's the curiosity part. If I asked you to guess the most useful English verb, you might say go, do, or make, but native speakers rely on something even more flexible, something that can mean totally different things depending on the situation.
Today's secret word is get. And here's what we're going to do in this podcast episode. We're not going to treat get like a boring dictionary entry. We're going to treat it like a master key, the kind of key that opens multiple doors, because in premium, real-world English, get is one of the quickest ways to sound natural without trying too hard.
And to make this episode feel like a real audio journey, we're going to build suspense using one simple story that keeps evolving, because that's exactly how get works in real life. Ready? Imagine it's a normal morning, you wake up, you check your phone, and you get a message.
Pause. Did you notice that? Get a message. In that moment, get means receive. You're not chasing the message. It comes to you. And this is one reason English sounds fast. Native speakers don't say, I received your message in casual conversation. They say, I got your message. Or, did you get my text? And it feels friendly, quick, human.
So the first major meaning is receive. Get a message, get an email, get a call, get a notification, get an invite, get good news, get bad news, and you can make your English instantly more natural by replacing formal verbs with get in speech. For example, I received an email from HR becomes I got an email from HR. Did you receive my message becomes did you get my message? I received a package becomes I got a package. And already you sound less like a robot and more like a person who actually lives in English.
Now, here's where suspense starts. You get a message, and the message says something unexpected. Maybe it's from your boss, maybe it's from a client, maybe it's from a friend you didn't expect. Maybe it's a short line that creates confusion. So what happens inside your body? You get nervous.
Boom, second major meaning. Become. When you say, I get nervous, you mean I become nervous. And get plus adjective is one of the most powerful patterns in spoken English. Get tired, get hungry, get thirsty, get cold, get hot, get sleepy, get angry, get excited, get motivated, get confident, get stressed, get overwhelmed, get calmer, get better.
And this is where premium learners level up, because beginner English often feels too basic. I am tired. I am happy. I am angry, which is fine, but real life is not static. We change. We react. Our mood shifts. So get lets you speak like your emotions are moving, like your day is moving. I get tired after meetings. I get hungry around 5. I get frustrated in traffic. I get excited when I travel. I get anxious before interviews. I get calmer after a walk. I get confident when I practice. I get overwhelmed when I multitask. And suddenly, your English sounds like real thinking, real living.
Now let's continue the story. You got that message, you got nervous, and you decide you need to go somewhere. Maybe you need to meet someone. Maybe you need to attend an event. Maybe you need to reach a place fast. So you leave the house and you finally get there.
Third major meaning, arrive. And this one is unbelievably common. Native speakers rarely say, I arrived home at 6 in normal conversation. They say, I got home at 6. What time did you get home? Text me when you get there. I got to the office early. I got to the station just in time. How do I get to the mall? I'll get there in 20 minutes.
Notice the differences. Get to plus place is like arrive or reach. Get there means reach that location. Get home is arrive home. And because it's casual, it's perfect for everyday talk. So if you want your English to sound smoother, start using get for movement and arrival. I get to work by 9. I got to the meeting late. We got to the restaurant before the rush. I couldn't get to sleep early. And yes, even sleep has get because English loves using get in surprising ways.
Now the story continues. You get there, you meet someone, you hear the explanation, and at first you're confused. Then suddenly it clicks. Your face changes, your eyes widen, and you say, "Oh, now I get it."
Fourth major meaning, understand. I get it is one of the most natural lines in English. It's short, friendly, and it can show intelligence without sounding arrogant. You can also ask, do you get it? Or say, I don't get it. I didn't get that. I'm not getting it yet. Can you say that again? I didn't get it. And one of the most premium social phrases is, I get what you mean.
Even more premium is empathy. I get how you feel. That doesn't just mean I understand the sentence, it means I understand you. And that's why get is not just vocabulary, it's connection, it's relationship language, it's workplace language, it's friendship language, it's the language of we are on the same page.
Now, because this is a premium podcast lesson, we're going to do something most videos don't do. We're going to build a get map in your mind using real-life categories, so you stop translating and start choosing the meaning based on context. First category, communication. Get a message, get a call, get an email, get a reply, get a notification, get a voicemail, get an invite. Second category, opportunities. Get a chance, get a job, get a promotion, get an interview, get permission, get approval. Third category, emotions and states. Get tired, get hungry, get nervous, get excited, get bored, get angry, get stressed, get motivated, get confident, get better. Fourth category, movement. Get home, get to work, get to the airport, get there, get back. Fifth category, understanding. Get it, get the idea, get the point, get the joke, get why.
And here's the value. When you practice get by categories, your fluency grows faster because your brain stops seeing get as one confusing word and starts seeing it as a toolkit. Now let's enter the vocabulary portion in a podcast-friendly way. Mia will say a phrase, I'll say a clean example, and you repeat it out loud wherever you are.
Get up.
I get up at 7 on weekdays.
Get ready.
I get ready for work in 20 minutes.
Get back.
I get back home around 6.
Get better.
I'm getting better at English every week.
Get along.
I get along with my coworkers.
Get in.
Get in the car, we're late.
Get out.
I need to get out of the house and breathe.
Get over.
It took me weeks to get over that disappointment.
Get through.
We'll get through this busy season.
Get used to.
I'm getting used to speaking English daily.
Get rid of.
I want to get rid of bad habits.
Get together.
Let's get together this weekend.
Now let's expand into the example sentences section. But instead of random examples, we'll use mini scenes that sound like real modern life. Scene 1, the morning phone check.
I got 3 messages before breakfast.
Did you get the one from your manager?
Yes, and I got nervous because it sounded urgent.
Don't panic, you'll get it sorted.
Scene 2, the commute. What time do you get to work?
I usually get to work by 9, but if traffic is bad, I get there late.
I get frustrated in traffic too.
Scene 3, the gym. I get tired halfway through my workout.
I get motivated when I see progress.
Scene 4, learning English.
Do you get this sentence?
Not yet, but I'm getting it.
Good, keep going, you're getting better.
Now, premium learners, listen carefully to tense because get changes in the past. Get becomes got, and in the present continuous, am is are getting. And this is where many learners make small mistakes that make them sound less natural. Correct, I got your message yesterday, not I get your message yesterday. Correct, I'm getting tired, not I get tired right now, unless it's a habit. Correct, I get tired after work, habit, but I'm getting tired now at this moment.
This habit versus now difference is gold because when you control it, you sound educated. I get nervous before presentations means it happens often. I'm getting nervous means it's happening right now. I get hungry in the afternoon means routine. I'm getting hungry means right now. I get home at 7, routine. I'm getting home late today only.
Now let's enter the dialogue section, but we'll do it podcast style, like a drama you can visualize. Dialogue 1, the unexpected invitation.
Mia, did you get that email?
I got it 5 minutes ago. Why does it feel like a surprise?
Because it is. They want us on stage.
Wait, I'm getting nervous.
I get it, but look, this is a chance. Let's get ready.
What time do we get there?
If we leave at 6, we'll get there early.
Okay. Now I get what you mean. This could be big.
Dialogue 2, work pressure.
I got a call from the client.
Good or bad?
Both. I got excited and then I got stressed.
What did they say?
They didn't get our last update.
So they didn't understand it.
Exactly. They didn't get it.
Okay, we'll fix it. We'll get it done today.
Thanks. I get how you stay calm.
Dialogue 3, friendship and empathy.
I've been feeling off lately.
I get it. Life gets heavy sometimes.
I get tired of pretending I'm fine.
Then don't pretend. Let's get some fresh air.
Where?
Anywhere. We'll get there, walk, talk, and you'll feel lighter.
Now we're going to do the practice section, and this is where you speak, because passive listening doesn't build the same confidence. So wherever you are, repeat after Locus.
I got a message. I got nervous. I got there late. Now I get it. Again, I got a message. I got nervous. I got there late. Now I get it.
Great. Now make it personal. Fill the blank. I get blank when I blank.
Examples. I get tired when I work too much. I get excited when I travel. I get nervous when I speak on the phone. I get confident when I practice.
Now repeat. I get home at blank. I get to work at blank. Text me when you get there.
And now the most important practice line for social life. I get what you mean. Say it again. I get what you mean.
Perfect, because that one line can save you in meetings, friendships, and relationships. It buys you time, shows understanding, and keeps the conversation smooth.
Now, a quick premium correction section, because we want your English to sound clean. Mistake 1. Overusing get in formal writing. In essays, you can say receive, obtain, become, arrive, understand. But in conversation, get is king. Mistake 2. Wrong object patterns. Don't say, I get along my homework. Correct, I get my homework done, or I do my homework. Don't say, I get with the bus. Instead say, I get on the bus. Don't say, I get down the bus. Say, I get off the bus.
And here's another premium tip. Get can also mean buy informally. I'm going to get coffee. Let's get dinner. I'll get a ticket. And it can also mean bring in some situations. Can you get me a glass of water? Which is like, can you bring it?
And get can also mean fetch or go and bring back. I'll get my jacket, meaning I'll go and bring it. But the core 4 meanings, receive, become, arrive, understand, are your foundation.
Now let's wrap the story. You got the message, you got nervous, you got there, you got it. And now you're different than you were at the start of this episode. Your English is not just memorizing words, it's learning patterns. And that's the shift premium learners make. Recap time.
But in a natural way. When something comes to you, you get it. When your state changes, you get tired, get excited, get confident. When you reach a place, you get home, get to work, get there. When you understand, you get it. Get the idea, get the point.
And here's your challenge. Write one comment using 4 gets, one for each meaning. For example, I got an email, I got stressed, I got to work early, and finally, I got it.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Talk Gora, because we make English feel simple but not shallow. We make it real.
Like, share, and send this to someone who keeps saying receive in daily conversation.
And remember, you don't need perfect English, you need usable English.
Keep practicing, just a little every day, and you will get better.
See you in the next episode.